Alright, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. This is, of course, Unbox and Chill. And we're here on this very sunny, actually. I got the window open here. We're here on this sunny Thursday because we have an unboxing, of course. We've got our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription watch for the month of May 2021. So get your drinks. I've got a watermelon Red Bull here. And we're going to jump into it, okay? I do want to say at the top of the video, hit that subscribe button. If you can hear my voice, we're moving along well. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, moving slowly but surely. Hit that subscribe button. We got the 1,000 subscriber giveaway coming up, and I can't wait to send something out to somebody. I look forward to it, okay? All right, let's get the desk ready. I'm going to keep my mouse here just because I do have the specifications up here on my screen. All right, so this brand has been on the channel before. We did get this a watch from this brand from WatchGang.com in the past. We've got a Cadola. So I believe that's Cadola is how you pronounce that. I don't know if it's, I mean, I can't imagine any other way that you'd pronounce that. I do believe it's Cadola. And I will say this isn't bad. This isn't bad altogether. So let's get into it. So you've got the green box, and you know, it's the usual paper box. It's 99 bucks. We're not expecting anything too crazy here, but for 99 bucks, this is kind of right on the money. Let's jump on in here. So you've got the cards. Let's see here. So you do get the Cadola. I will say this is a nice shade of green. It's like a green and a beige. I do like that. It says 1946. I don't know. I don't think Cadola's been around since 1946. I feel like this is one of those recent brands, or perhaps this is like a trademark someone bought and revitalized. Who knows? Perhaps I'll do some more research on that later. But you do get the international warranty and the instruction manual. Warranty is not filled out, but okay. And then you've got the instruction manual there. There's the model. You can see it. It is a chronograph. So a lot of chronographs in this black tier. All right, so there's the box there. I will say it's felt lined. It is nice. It does have Cadola in the fabric there. So we'll move that to the side, and we've got the watch here. And I will say right off the bat, it definitely looks interesting. So there was the Cadola Endurance. That was a chronograph that was a couple months back on the channel. If you go back a couple videos in terms of the black tier, I want to say we got that around January. Perhaps it was January or December. But this Cadola is also a chronograph, and as you can see, the pushers are actually at the top. Let's go in for some detail here. Bear with me 1 second. There we go. So as you can see, you've got the pushers at the top there. So that's something I haven't really seen before. You know, I do think it looks interesting. So they're not on the side. A lot of times when they are on the side, honestly, they kind of push into my skin a little bit, depending on how I'm wearing the watch. They do kind of push into my skin. So it is interesting to see them at the top there. So, you know, you've got of course, a basic quartz movement. This is not an automatic chronograph. On the website, it just says Japan quartz chronograph, date and 24 hours. So they just say Japan quartz. Who knows what it actually is? They don't give us much more detail than that. It does say that there's a stainless steel case. And in terms of the size here, this is an approachable size and anybody can jump on. It is 42 millimeters. So 42 millimeters on the Cadola there. As you see, you have that blue dial with a bit of a some sunburst going on there. White subdials. Looks like the hands are orange. Let's see here. Well, the second hand's orange. You see that tick going on there. So you've got some orange, and then you also have, in terms of you have white hands as well. So white and orange hands, which does look pretty good. Let's see here. It looks like the indices and everything are applied. So I do see a lot of detail in this watch for 99 bucks. It's, you know, it's, you know, sometimes those things are printed on the dial is what you'll see a lot of times at this price point. But I will say it's definitely unique looking. You've got a case thickness of 12.6 millimeters. So there it is there. So that's not too crazy in terms of the thickness. It doesn't feel too heavy. This is a mineral crystal in terms of the the glass. But it does have it says it has a sapphire coating, so perhaps there's some added scratch resistance there. You can set the time here at the top, so everything's at the top, which is very, so it's very different to look at here. We're gonna get it on the wrist. We're gonna get some shots of me wearing it. I just want to keep running down the specs here. You do have a 20 millimeter bandwidth, or bracelet. So the lugs here, 20 millimeters. Okay, so if you're going to swap that out, you're looking for 20 millimeters here. Perhaps you want to get a nice blue leather, or perhaps a blue leather with an orange contrast stitch. That might be nice as well. Or even blue with a white contrast stitch would be very interesting on this watch. 100 meters water resistance. You do get a 2-year international warranty on this. Let's pop it on the wrist. Let's see what it looks like here. Real quick, I will zoom back out. And I'm actually wearing my Seiko King Turtle. So it's just like a little bit, just a slightly upgraded Seiko Turtle. I do like it a lot. I got the strap code Jubilee on there. It's been on the channel several times. There is a video on this particular watch. If you do want to see that, you can find that on the channel. So there is a video on that watch as well. Let me move the box out of the way, and we'll get right into it here in terms of putting it on the wrist. So I will say, in terms of 99 bucks, as I'm about to put this on, guys, this milled class is nice. Normally you get some cheapy pressed mess. I have another chronograph coming up. I'm going to drop that video on Monday. There's another chronograph that is affordable. It's not quite 99 bucks, and to be honest with you, I hate to say it, the brand is better on the one that you'll see on Monday. I'm not going to give it away. But this particular watch, I will say, is better in a lot of ways. The looks of the other chronograph that you'll see on Monday are better overall. But in terms of what you're getting with this one, in terms of the specs and in terms of the, kind of the feel and the build quality and everything, I will say that this one might be better for 99 bucks. And, again, you guys know that I'm not blowing smoke. I don't, there are no promo codes here. I'm not selling Watch Gang. I don't have a sign up in a sign up link. I post these videos, but I don't put a sign up link in my description box. So I'm not, but I'm honestly saying that this particular chronograph that I'm about to review on, or I'll have a quick video on Monday, is about $260. And the clasp is extremely cheap. I was so disappointed when I saw it. So stick around Monday for that. That video will drop. But back to this one real quick. Let's go in real quick. Let's go back in for that detail. Like I said, nice clasp at this price point. I was very surprised to see this. You've got a paper here. Let me see if I can get that paper off. There we go. So you've got the Cadola there. So that's nice. It does say Cadola. And let's see. So they did... They did go ahead and etch that in there. Bracelet feels nice and strong, I will say. Feels definitely nice. You've got brushed all along there. You do have, looks like high polish up here on the case, but everywhere else, except for the very top, everywhere else, the sides, the bottom and everything else is, let me see here. You've got the Cadola logo there. Everything else is brushed. The only high polish is really up top here. Which is nice because a lot of times, for me anyway, I'm not a high polished bracelet guy. It's very hard to keep that looking nice, and it just ends up looking terrible, and you just get nicks everywhere. So overall, like I said, not bad on the looks. Let's throw it on the wrist here. Like I said, I was very surprised by this particular clasp, guys. I was very surprised to see that at this price point. Let's throw this on the wrist and snap it up. All right. So here it is on my roughly 8 1/4 inch wrists. We'll zoom that back out. And honestly, guys, this is not bad for the price. There we go. Let's bring it in a little bit. Maybe bring it below the bone a little bit. There we go. Not a bad piece for the price, honestly. Let's go back in. You can't argue at 99 bucks. That's a sharp looking watch for 99 bucks. Not one that you're going to see anywhere else for 99 bucks. And I think it does provide some decent specifications for in terms of a chronograph for 99 bucks. So I mean, you'd have to be on AliExpress to get something better than this. So, but overall, not a bad looking piece at all. Let me know, is this one that you would own? Do you like the Cadola? I'll give you the name here. This one is the Testa de Toro in blue steel. That's the color. This is the Cadola Testa de Toro in blue steel. On the website, it's $450. Of course, you know, nobody pays that. You got it from Watch Gang for $99 plus shipping. So let me know. Is this a nice watch? Is this something that you would wear? Is this something that you're into? I think it hits the mark in terms of the price point for $99. You don't feel ripped off. I feel like you got $99 worth at least for this particular watch. I think it looks good. I think it punches just slightly above its weight class because I do have a chronograph review and unboxing coming on Monday from another brand that really just kind of disappointed me. It really missed the mark. So stand by for that video on Monday, okay? Thank you guys so much for stopping in. This has been Unbox and Chill, of course. Do me a favor, if you're still watching, hit that subscribe button, okay? And then also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, just so that YouTube shares the video with other people. And I thank you so much. This is Unbox and Chill, signing out.